Finland nowadays is not just a country located at the north part of Europe, but also one of the modern countries. Modern country assumes always everything modern. Modern hospitality, plants, enterprises, and also modern educational system. The way of Finnish educational system to be modern is to concentrate educational process in big educational institutions. Number of small professional schools of every region become a big one. Good example is Kainuun ammattiopisto, known also as Kainuun Vocational College, located in Kainuu region of Finland. Kainuun Vocational College nowadays is rather wide educational institution which concentrates itself almost all curriculums of Kainuu region. Here you can find everything from technical educational programs to cultural ones, from automobiles to design and business software development. Technical department of Kainuu Vocational College consists of different parts. Basic abilities and experience in technique area students can obtain in classes being just blue collars. Even basic metal works should be learned at school. It looks quite simple, but these simple things cannot be done without basic experience. All the students have classes and rooms equipped with professional educational equipment to learn basics of water and air pressure systems, basics of electric circuits, and even how to build machines using automation line. Blue collars are always welcome to enterprises, but enterprises are in need to persons who will write a program code. Every student starts from the scratch using basic procedures and algorithms. The time goes and simple algorithms change with harder ones being quite good experience in programming area. There is no modern machine which works without electricity. Electricity lines cannot build them itself. That means we need persons who will build electricity inside of enterprises and at home as well as outside of buildings. Kainuu Vocational College has this type of curriculums as well. This laboratory is built especially for students who want to become good electricians in future. Basic montage plates and basic furniture is always here. Doing their first steps, students use just simple plates and then they switch to special practice boxes to show their knowledge to the teacher. It's a basic way of knowledge, and teacher gives every student important advices which should become a part of students' future knowledge. Last step is exam work. Every student should show his or her knowledge and practice. It's not just a simple box they use on classes, it's a real project which every student should finish alone. Here are located some examples. There are outside street lightnings, electric ovens, washing machines, and so on. Electricity is not just the power lines with a huge number of wires, but also a high sensitivity parts of modern electronics. Kainuu Vocational College has appropriate labs as well. Here second-year students learn advanced electronics. The topic of the lesson today is inductance and how to build power switch box using this effect. The teacher gives free coffee to the student who can show the highest voltage at the output pins of the device. Quite interesting method to gather experience. Splicing and cutting metal is always in need in every industry. That's why Kainuu Vocational College has even so hard discipline to learn. Students like the sound of fire, but they should beware of gas, because it's very dangerous. Automated cutting machines are widely used nowadays, and here students can learn basics of numeric programming and algorithms for every type of these machines. Techniques are quite interesting, but what should do the students who are fond of design or culture? Kainuu Vocational College offers them the Department of Culture. Here you can find young designers which learn basics of design and quite wise students which open their own projects and earn their first salary. They look young, but it's a first and successful experience they obtained thanks to their knowledge, and it's a good for to their future. Newspapers, brochures, magazines, internet publications and advertisement, and also videos. Everything is born here. If you prefer classic culture recognition, you can go to the college theater studio, or if you feel music, it's easy to become a musician here. Professional teachers and music instructors will give everything they know to every student of college. But what is the next to the college? What kind of activities former students can have? Some of them for sure will be good personnel of modern enterprise in Finland, but some former students want to know more. That's why KAO Vocational College has collaboration agreement with KAO University. While students always want to earn more knowledge, and here there is a possibility. Former basic programmers can become experienced in IT infrastructure. It looks like a usual lab equipped with PCs, but it's just a first look. Here a student's small enterprise is located. The goal of this enterprise is to collaborate with companies and to give them internet pages and technical support to give the university students an experience how to communicate to real companies. Sure, there is some educational tasks. For example, students are divided into so-called clients, so-called admins, and so-called hackers. First group act like a chiefs, second group consists of technical support, and students of third group try to find a weakness to hack a business of some company. The groups switch and then process goes again. It looks like a game, but this game gives to the students everything they will have in a real life in a real company. Internet hosting and IT infrastructure systems are boring to you? No problem. KAO Game Development Lab is located here. Here students use their program and design abilities to build computer games and to games for smartphones. Games are not just only games. Nowadays games are good business which gives a possibility to earn good money. Bother of classes? Want to cut off the day of education? KAO Vocational College is always welcome you after classes. There are special places located in every building of college for students to get to relax easy. Here students can play chess, use computers to publish photos and read comments in social networks as well. They can just use pool for free. Everything is modern here. Everything is built that way to look interesting for every student. Everything is built for students to get them motivated. So welcome to KAO Vocational College.